Hello, this is Danny Hacker on the short series on Xamarin Cross-Platform development. Today I'm going to go over a shared project. First of all, let's go and download the last week's project, which you'll find on my GitHub account. So I'm going to download the project, go unzip it, open the folder, launch the solution. So what we're going to do is move the logic found in individual OS onto the shared area. You'll see I'm going to show you what's happening inside iOS and Android, and then move over to the shared code. So let's first look at the iOS version. So you'll see the logic is the count is assigned to be 1, and then as the button is pressed, it gets incremented by 1. Similar logic will be found in Android. If you'll open the main activity folder, you'll see the count equals 1, and you also see the count plus plus. So what we're going to do now is move it to the shared area. So first of all, I'm going to remove the template class and then add a new one so that we don't have to fuss around with the renaming of the class. I'm just going to call it calculate and save it. Okay, so what we're going to do is make it just like each OS. So I'm going to say private saved value 1. We're going to pass initialization value, get the instantiation, so I'm going to assign init into the save value, and then we can create a new method that'll return the increment value. So I'm going to have a parameter to pass the increment amount, so I'm going to say plus equals inc, and then we're going to say return save value. So let's go to the Android and place the code. Calculate class, say calc new, assign it 1. I've commented out so you can see the difference of the original code and the new code. Likewise with the increment, we're going to say calc add by 1. Since the plus plus will only increment by 1. And we're going to do the same for iOS. Calculate calc new calculate 1, then we're gonna calc add 1. Let's paste the version of code just to see what it is. Okay, so we have Android selected, so I'm going to launch the Android version of the code. Now if you remember, if you click the first time, it's supposed to say 1 clicks. Unfortunately we have a bug, so we see 2 instead of 1. Well, let's stop this. Let's go and see what it looks like on iOS. I'm going to go switch over to iOS. I'm going to launch it. Click. Yes, we have the same bug. So let's stop it. So we'll fix the bug. So what we need to do is increment after we return event. So instead of changing the function, we're just going to call it post add increment. So what we're going to do is behave just like the plus plus. I'm going to store the current value. I'm going to increment the saved value, but we're going to now return the stored value before the increment, so we get the correct behavior. So I'm going to go and place the post add into add, place the add into post, add. Okay, so we fixed our bug. Let's verify first with the iOS. Click. Yes, we have a bug fix. I'm going to go to Android. Running on Android. Let's confirm that it's same code fix applies. Yes, we fixed it. So the lesson here is that when you have shared code, you'll see the same behavior on both OS. And not only the bug, but also the fix as well. Thank you for watching.